obviously you get like the scam emails. A lot of the time you can identify if it's a scam email, but for me at the moment I think they get increasingly more realistic and the scammers get better at what they're doing, so the scams look more convincing.
And what have you learned today that has been useful?
I think the most important thing for me has been, in the past I've always thought that having numbers and symbols is like really important for securing your password, but I think going on that quiz and realising that even with numbers and symbols that hackers can still break into your password with incredible ease. I think that's a really important thing to remember. So I think there's maybe a false sense of security there, and I think the idea of having several unrelated words in your password and numbers and symbols as well, that certainly makes it much more secure.